Hi, my name is Marian Hutton, and I'm shooting this video because I do truly believe that this Rapid Gut Reset program is absolutely essential. 10 years ago, I was diagnosed with Lyme and had been exposed to mold in my home. After living like that for several years, I was able to get some help, but there was so much more clarification on how taking the courses. And so after taking the course, I feel like my life is healthier, but I have all these tools in place and a support system in place to help me through it, which I did not have before. I really feel confident I can move through this and become even more healthy. I highly recommend the Rapid Gut Reset. It's the best thing you do for yourself. Before the Rapid Gut Reset, I thought that I was making gains. However, after taking this course, I realized how many loopholes were missing in my program. What made me say yes was I had done the liver reset prior to the gut reset course, and I already knew that I was dealing with two very knowledgeable practitioners, and I knew they could help me. What surprised me the most about the course was I was sure that I would be dealing with the mold issue. And lo and behold, it became very evident early on in the game that I had to do a major parasite cleanse before I could move on. And I felt very supported with the knowledge and the pace of the course, so I was able to complete that. I finally understand what's going on because, of course, we look at some major issues, and mold being one of them. And I have had mold in the past, but through the course, I realized how important it was to live in a mold-free house, but I assumed because my house was new that that wasn't a problem, and yet just a month ago we found out that I, in fact, have been living in mold for the last 5 years. And so thankfully I had taken that course and was able to, I guess, comfortably and confidently move forward to help remediate the situation. And the top tools that made the difference, I enjoy the supplements and the classes. Obviously, their lectures are, especially the live ones, are really helpful. And Detox Nation has a lot of information. But I think the importance of understanding the premise of keeping the energy up, that the lymphatic system has to move, products that help move all that, and of course the famous coffee enemas. What I am able to do now because of the program is address situations like finding out just last month that we had mold in our house. I was able to deal with that situation with less panic and trauma, follow the instructions that I had received through Michael and Sinclair. So I think using the material that's online, the course information I can go back to helps, but I had a greater confidence in understanding the complexity of my situation, and so just did what I needed to do. Just kind of did some of the tapping and used the ESR and go into the situation without the feeling of being helpless. I would recommend the Rapid Gut Reset because I truly believe that the health of the gut is one of the most important things, the general health of the body, mind, spirit. And I believe that this course is developed and executed in such an organized, intellectual manner. They've done their homework basically on all of the supplies and supplements that we use. So I would just say that if you're suffering with that health condition, this is number one thing you have to look at first.